Did you know that eating certain foods with watermelon could be harmful to your health? It might sound surprising, but this popular summer fruit, known for its refreshing taste, can actually lead to serious health risks if not eaten properly. From cancer to dementia, the wrong food combinations with watermelon could be more dangerous than you think. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the best and worst foods to eat with watermelon, so you can enjoy all its amazing health benefits safely. Why watermelon is so important. Watermelon isn't just delicious, it's one of the best ways to stay hydrated and cool during the hot summer months. With 90% of its content being water, it's like nature's sports drink. When you bite into its juicy red flesh, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're also giving your body a boost of natural sugars and vitamins that help fight off fatigue and keep you energized. But that's not all. Watermelon is packed with nutrients that can help prevent high blood pressure, diabetes, chronic diseases, and even the effects of aging. However, the benefits of watermelon can be fully realized only when you eat it the right way. Pairing it with the wrong foods can lead to bloating, indigestion, and even more serious health issues. That's why it's essential to know which foods work well with watermelon and which ones don't. 1. Dairy products, yogurt and cheese. You might be surprised to learn that dairy products like yogurt and cheese don't mix well with watermelon. In fact, this combination can actually cause some discomfort and digestive issues. You see, watermelon is a fast-digesting fruit. It's mostly water and natural sugars, so your body breaks it down quickly. On the other hand, dairy products like yogurt and cheese take much longer to digest because they contain fats and proteins that need more time to be processed in your stomach. When you eat watermelon and dairy together, your body struggles to handle these two foods at the same time. The watermelon moves through your digestive system quickly, but the yogurt or cheese stays behind, causing a traffic jam in your stomach. This difference in digestion speeds can lead to bloating, gas, and an overall uncomfortable feeling. Imagine this. It's a hot day, and you decide to have a refreshing watermelon salad with some crumbled feta cheese on top. It sounds like a healthy choice, right? But instead of feeling light and refreshed, you might find yourself feeling heavy and bloated afterward. That's because your body is having a hard time digesting these two very different foods together. To make the most of watermelon's health benefits and avoid any digestive discomfort, it's best to eat it on its own or with other foods that are easy to digest. This way, you can enjoy all the refreshing and hydrating goodness of watermelon without any unpleasant side effects. 2. Greasy fried foods. Watermelon is often seen as the perfect way to cool down and refresh after a heavy meal, especially during the summer. But pairing it with greasy fried foods can actually do more harm than good. Fried foods, like fries, fried chicken, or anything else cooked in lots of oil, are heavy and take a long time to digest. When you eat these foods, the oil hardens in your stomach, making digestion even slower. Now, watermelon is the exact opposite. It's light, filled with water, and designed to be digested quickly. When you combine it with greasy foods, you're creating a situation where the watermelon can't do its job properly. The high water content in watermelon dilutes the stomach acid that's needed to break down the greasy food. This slows down digestion even more, leading to feelings of fullness, sluggishness, and discomfort. Imagine you've just enjoyed a plate of fried chicken or some crispy fries, and then you reach for a slice of watermelon to finish your meal. Instead of feeling refreshed, you might end up feeling more bloated and tired. That's because the oil from the fried food is blocking the beneficial nutrients in the watermelon from being absorbed by your body. For the best results, it's better to enjoy watermelon separately, away from heavy, greasy foods. This way, you allow your body to absorb all the vitamins and minerals in the watermelon without any interference. Watermelon is great for hydrating and cleansing your system, but it needs to be eaten at the right time to do its job effectively. 3. Bananas. Watermelon and bananas are both popular fruits, and you might think they make a perfect combination. But surprisingly, eating them together isn't a good idea, especially if you're concerned about your potassium levels. Both watermelon and bananas are high in potassium, which is an important mineral for your body. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, supports heart health, and keeps your muscles functioning properly. However, too much potassium can be a problem, especially for people with kidney issues. When you eat watermelon and bananas together, you're getting a double dose of potassium. For most people, this might not be an issue, but if your kidneys aren't functioning at their best, it can lead to a condition called hyperkalemia. This condition occurs when there's too much potassium in your blood, which can cause symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and even irregular heartbeats. Picture this. You make a fruit salad with watermelon and bananas, thinking it's a healthy and nutritious snack. But if you're not careful, this combination can overload your body with potassium, putting extra strain on your kidneys. For people with existing kidney problems, this can be especially risky. To enjoy the benefits of both watermelon and bananas without any potential health risks, it's better to eat them separately. This way, you can still get the nutrients they offer without worrying about overloading your body with potassium. If you're looking to mix watermelon with other fruits, consider options that are lower in potassium, like berries or citrus fruits. The best foods to eat with watermelon. Now that we've covered the foods you should avoid pairing with watermelon, let's talk about the ones that complement this summer fruit perfectly. These combinations not only enhance the flavor of watermelon, but also boost its health benefits, helping you make the most out of every bite. 1. Tomatoes. You might not think of pairing watermelon with tomatoes, but this combination is actually a powerhouse of nutrients. Both watermelon and tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Lycopene is known for its ability to fight off harmful free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and even slowing down the aging process. What's interesting is that watermelon contains even more lycopene than tomatoes, making this combo a supercharged way to boost your health. Imagine making a fresh salad with juicy watermelon and ripe tomatoes. The sweet flavor of the watermelon balances perfectly with the tangy taste of the tomatoes, creating a delicious and nutritious dish. This combination is not just tasty, it's also a great way to improve your heart health, fight off fatigue, and keep your body energized during the hot summer months. You can enjoy this combination in various ways. Toss them together in a salad with a light drizzle of olive oil. Blend them into a refreshing juice, or even grill them lightly for a unique and tasty side dish. However you choose to eat them, watermelon and tomatoes are a match made in health heaven. 2. Watermelon rind. Most people throw away the white rind of the watermelon, not realizing that they're discarding one of the most nutritious parts of the fruit. The white rind, which is the layer between the green skin and the red flesh, is packed with an amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline is known for its ability to help detoxify the body, reduce swelling, and improve blood circulation. It's a hidden gem that can provide powerful health benefits if you know how to use it. Think about this. When you eat watermelon, you usually enjoy the sweet, juicy red part and then toss the rest in the trash. But by doing so, you're missing out on the incredible benefits of citrulline, which can help your body in so many ways. Citrulline aids in expanding blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body. This is particularly helpful for reducing inflammation and improving your overall cardiovascular health. Instead of throwing the rind away, try incorporating it into your meals. You can slice the white rind thinly and add it to salads for a crunchy texture, or pickle it for a tangy snack. Some people even blend the rind into smoothies, or juices for an extra nutritional boost. The rind has a mild flavor, so it's easy to mix with other ingredients without overpowering the taste. By eating the rind along with the red flesh, you're not only reducing waste, but also giving your body an extra dose of nutrients that can help keep you healthy and energized. The next time you enjoy a watermelon, remember that the rind is just as valuable as the fruit itself. 3. Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are another part of the fruit that often gets tossed aside, but they're actually packed with nutrition. These little seeds are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and important minerals that can do wonders for your health. Eating watermelon seeds might not be as common, but once you learn about their benefits, you'll want to include them in your diet. First, let's talk about protein. Watermelon seeds contain about 30% protein, which is higher than many other seeds like sunflower seeds or peanuts. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting your immune system, and maintaining muscle mass. By snacking on watermelon seeds, you're giving your body a healthy dose of plant-based protein that's easy to digest. Next up is the healthy fats. Watermelon seeds are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, particularly linoleic acid, which is known for its heart-healthy benefits. Linoleic acid helps reduce bad cholesterol levels in the blood, lowers the risk of heart disease, and supports brain function. This makes watermelon seeds a great snack for boosting both your heart and brain health. Now, you might wonder how to eat watermelon seeds. It's simple. After you've finished your watermelon, collect the seeds, wash them thoroughly, and let them dry. You can then roast them in a dry pan until they're crispy and golden. Roasted watermelon seeds make a tasty and nutritious snack that's easy to carry with you on the go. They have a mild nutty flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes, or you can just enjoy them on their own. What's even more interesting is that watermelon seeds contain a compound called quercetin, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin helps purify the blood, supports your immune system, and even has anti-parasitic effects. By eating watermelon seeds, you're not just getting a tasty snack, you're also boosting your overall health in multiple ways. So, the next time you enjoy a watermelon, don't toss those seeds away. Instead, give them a try as a healthy and delicious addition to your diet. Wrapping it up. Watermelon is more than just a refreshing summer fruit. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your health in so many ways. But to fully enjoy its benefits, you need to be mindful of what you eat with it. Let's recap the key points. First, avoid pairing watermelon with dairy products like yogurt and cheese. These combinations can slow down digestion and lead to bloating and discomfort. It's better to enjoy watermelon on its own, or with foods that won't interfere with its quick digestion. Second, steer clear of greasy fried foods when eating watermelon. The oil from fried foods can harden in your stomach, blocking the absorption of watermelon's nutrients and causing sluggish digestion. For the best results, enjoy watermelon separately from heavy, oily meals. Third, be cautious about eating watermelon with bananas. While both are high in potassium, eating them together can lead to an overload of this mineral, especially for those with kidney issues. It's safer to enjoy these fruits separately to avoid any potential health risks. On the flip side, some foods can actually enhance the benefits of watermelon. Tomatoes are a perfect match, creating a powerful combination that's rich in lycopene and great for heart health. Don't forget about the white rind of the watermelon, which is packed with citrulline, a compound that helps detoxify your body and improve blood circulation. And finally, watermelon seeds are a hidden treasure, loaded with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support your overall health. By being mindful of what you pair with watermelon, you can maximize its health benefits and avoid any potential risks. So, enjoy your watermelon wisely and stay healthy and refreshed all summer long.